Thank you for coming to my office today. How can I help? That bad, huh? Well, why don't you begin by telling me a little bit about yourselves? I'm number one! Everybody thinks they're the best, but clearly I'm the best. I'm well-rounded. I was approximated by the Babylonians, Egyptians, Greeks, and others, all around the world. My supremacy is only natural, and aren't I your number? Technically I didn't really discover you. That was Jacob Bernoulli. You came about from analyzing compound interest. Well, if you're interested, I can compound that 10 pranks into 11 if you'll say I'm the best. I am supreme. I go beyond the real world. It takes a higher thinking to understand me, because I'm so complex. Interesting point. I'm number one! I always come first! I got it. And how about you? Nothing, I guess. Have any value. Anything to any other number, multiplied by any other number, I just make them nothing. Well, let me see if I can resolve this. In my book, Introductio in Analysing Infinitorum, I wrote this formula. E raised to the ix equals cosine x plus I sine x. I came about this formula by summing the infinite series e equals 1 plus 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial, etc. Notice that if you raise this to the power of x on both sides, you get the following. Wow, I'm pretty useful. That's true, but keep listening. Now, e to the x isn't the only thing that can be calculated by an infinite series. Sine x and cosine x have the following representations. Let's add them, just for kicks. Doesn't this look a lot like e to the x? To find an inequality, we need a number that when squared will give us -1. I can do that! I can do that! Watch what happens when we raise e to the ix. We distribute the exponent, then regroup. Wait a minute, what's inside each of those parentheses? Cosine x and sine x. Do I ever get to do anything? Yes, let me show you what happens when we put pi in for x. E to the I pi equals cosine pi plus I sine pi. Now we evaluate and simplify. I'm number one! Why do I gotta be so negative? I knew I didn't fit in. Now hold on. Watch what happens when I add 1 to both sides. That's my formula. You mean I'm important? We're all important, kid. Yes! Yeah! I'm proud of you all.